fuck is he's not paid to deal with it.
He doesn't know what else to do. It's like
They put it out.
well, the security guards.
That's shown that fire, isn't it?
We've all been like chauffeured out of the building. Wait, hold on.
Wait, is our building on fire?
Well, they probably have to come anyway.
Is no one?
Anytime there's a call, anytime the fire alarm's called, don't they have to come?
No, not necessarily.
Okay, check it.
I mean, is anyone dealing with that?
Well, I think though, there's a fire over there.
No. Also, we've lived here.
How long could it have been burning, Barking for? With no one dealing with it?
Don't there's some bottles of water they can bring out and just pour it on there?
Also, we've all been frog marched out to where the fire is.
I mean, is anyone at any point?
Just all stand
I
here
mean, can't they
watching
just get some bottles of water from inside Asda?
encouraging the employees to take back their outside.
But it's right by a fuse box or something as well. Like,
This guy's parked his car right next to it.
yeah, as you do. That's not going to put it out. Whoa! Hey! To watch a bin burn.